So, hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa, and this is Divine Tarot by Deepa Sri. Yeah. So, in today's reading, we're gonna keep it, only tarot. Yeah. And I'm gonna use my number one favorite deck, which is the Muse Tarot. I am a huge fan of this. I absolutely love it. Yeah. So, we're gonna give this a shuffle and let's check what is happening in the twin flame belt. Yeah. Okay. So I see a five of inspiration, five of wands below. Someone had a tiff in the family. You are the divine masculine. I feel it for both. Okay. Then I see a muse of wands, which talks a lot about like king of wands energy, which talks a lot about like something is happening in the family or the workplace. I see a lot of fight because that's the energy which I get. Okay, so let's pick the first card. So universe, Six of Cups. Six of Cups to me is actually a soulmate card. But let me tell you, very strangely in this deck, you can see someone that's lost. The energy which I get is the divine masculine knows of how much he caused pain to the divine feminine. That is what I get here. Actually, Six of Cups is my soulmate card. But in this deck, if you see, it's very much different. Like someone is tapping into her own, inner shadows, inner strength, and all of that. This card is very unique. Sometimes, cards have a different meaning and the picturization is something different. So yeah, so the five of wands, the Six of Cups, I'm feeling like five of wands very repeatedly. So I feel like your person fought about you with somebody. It can be a friend, it can be a family person, it can be a relative, it can be the karmic, herself. So I'm seeing someone your divine masculine is, fighting with for you. I think this is the energy first time I'm getting in my channel. Yeah, so I'm seeing that energy very strongly. Yeah, because strangely, I think one of the very unique ways where I got a five of wands. Yeah, because that comes in middle of the reading and all of that. But today, because it is the highlight card of this deck, that too I'm using Muse Tarot, and I've left it out in the universe that I will use this deck only when there are happy newses, good newses like that. Yeah. So if I got that, I'm getting a very strong energy that your person is fighting for you with somebody. And I'm also seeing one more energy which talks a lot about your person is like feeling the pain that you went through. Let me tell you, divine feminines go through hell lot of pain. Like, I cannot even describe it in words. Three of Pentacles. You can see all these cards talk a lot about your energy, divine feminine. Like your person is finally realizing the pain he caused you or put you through. This is like a pathway. So, put you through, like, it doesn't happen in one day, right? Over the time. So, over the years, yeah. So, if your journey or your story is also a very long one, yeah. So, I'm seeing over the time because Pentacles also talks a lot about years, yeah. So, I'm seeing that energy. So, yeah. So, I'm seeing like all your pain and all of that, what you divine feminine have put in, your person is acknowledging, feeling it 10 times. I'm also seeing that, that your person is feeling that all what you went through. And I think this has come very uniquely today. Of lately I'm getting very unique energy in my videos. That is the reason I make them, because I want to convey unique energy with you guys, because I feel like no two videos are same. Yeah. Okay. So moving on, Ace of Pentacles. I feel like your growth, how you fell down and again got up. I feel I'm connecting that. Let me tell you, I'm not seeing any typical meanings of, Ace of Pentacles and all of this, which have a traditional meaning, if you go by the tarot book. Yeah. I'm not seeing that. I'm feeling like your person is, seeing your growth and trying to learn is what I'm seeing. And how you fell down and again got up in your journey. And trust me, this happens a lot with the divine feminines. Yeah, especially I feel like in this, very strongly, if I have to pick colors, I feel like gold definitely. And I also feel like, what do I say? I feel like DF green auras. Yeah, they also go through a lot. And I also feel pink to some extent, even purple auras. Yeah. So I feel like all this painful phase, yeah, what you went through, Seven of Pentacles. If you see, all this is journey. You can see here, there is a woman right here, which talks a lot about a journey, about a pathway, about a, where you're going, whom you're connecting. I also feel like whom you're talking to and all of that, your person has a, what do you say? A check. Yeah. So yeah, I keep hearing, someone that's asking to forgive. Yeah, because to me, all this energy talks a lot about like sorry. Yeah, someone that wants you, and now the whole soul purpose became like you should forgive him, you should love him. Yeah, Two of Wands. Like everything else, apart from you, there is no color in your person's life. All this energy I'm getting a lot of regret. Let me tell you, Venus is right now in my nakshatra, in the own house of Taurus, in my nakshatra of Rohini. It is going to be there till, I think till May 8. Yeah. So, yeah. So, right now, your person would feel highest emotions because of Venus transit. Yeah. And you have Sun exalted, which is right now in Aries. That is the reason for so much summer in India. Yeah. And Three of Voices. No wonder. This is the highlight of the card. Feeling like someone's shouting, someone's soul craving. And let me tell you, this all energy is coming to me a lot on my channel, because Venus is right now in Taurus. So obviously it's going to come. Like your person would feel, who is the Venus? You are the Venus. Yeah. So your person would feel a lot of energy, a lot of reminiscing. And Pentacles all talks about, like, maybe which you spoke 4 years ago, 5 years ago. Everything your person is recalling. So I'm seeing that also, like your person is reminiscing, a lot of reminiscing. Okay. And the next card we have of 10 of Pentacles, which is, I was about to say reverse and I just dropped it. So yeah, which is basically a reverse. Like your person didn't get this. And I feel like that's eating him up. When you can't achieve something, like your mind is stuck there. Like, this rose garden, like you are this rose garden. Your person is like, I feel like a lot of craving in this, in this video, in this current energy. Yeah. So yeah, so this 10 of Pentacles is basically haunting. And I think this is the first time I'm telling this in about haunting energy in my channel. This 10 of Pentacles right now, what, it was in the beginning, like you divine feminines craved for. And let me tell you, I'm at divine feminine that has reached here. You slowly lose this. Like you don't, like, you give up. You give up to eternity, you give up to universe. Like slow by slow, it happens with every union you achieve. Like how near you it's going down, divine feminines, the more it's going up in divine masculine. Because it's the yin and yang. It's like a seesaw. So when you are up, your person is down. When the person is up, you are down. So it happens sometimes. Opposites is very, very significant in this journey. So right now, I'm feeling like your person, this has become his whole soul purpose. Three of Sword, Three of Voices. And like here, you can see somebody literally focusing on something with this, telescope. Yeah. So like all this is not making sense. And let me tell you, being a divine feminine that has, even achieved karmic victory and all of that. Yeah. I'm seeing that your person is like, it's driving him nuts. This is something I'm seeing off lately. Other day when I was watching, one of the tarot videos, I think maybe 1 week ago, I watched, if you ask Deepa, do you watch any tarot videos? Very rare. if the energy calls out to me, shouts to me, because when you reach here, basically you have a deep connection with your person. Yeah. And I feel like if I have to talk about deep connection with person, I would definitely pick two auras the most. Definitely gold aura, and if I talk about a connection with the divine masculine, orange aura. Like these two auras have I feel like have the highest connection with the divine masculine. Yeah. So yeah, that's why when you reach here, compared to even other auras, because so once I start shooting, I enter into another zone. Like there is this, different Deepa. And let me tell you, my twin wheel. Okay, confirmation. My twin V absolutely, oh my god. My twin V absolutely loves, this blabbering Deepa. Confirmation. Thank you, universe. It's not stopping, right? Okay. So what was I saying? Yeah. Hush. Don't make me do my phone in silent because I want it in ringing. Yeah. Okay. So, when I enter this zone, I feel like, I'm surrounded by angels, like I've entered another zone, because it's been 5 fucking years I made this channel. 5 years. Like it's with this channel I'm in a relationship with in itself is what I feel like. See. Okay, so where was I? I was distracted. So I feel like, distraction is also a part of divine masculine. Whenever he tries to concentrate on you, or whenever he tries to, come towards you, to me, that 10 of Pentacles also talks about that. Because let me tell you, your person identifies that he feels the happiest happiness with you in the first go. It's all about acceptance, and a lot of ego plays a role. Speaking of ego, let me tell you, of lately I'm seeing a lot of green emerald jewelry, green and all of that. To me, this talks about one energy which I want to give you, is because we don't know who achieved karmic victory so far. So I'm not sure if it would be, red or green. Orange is in a very deep karmic cycle, like I said. Yeah. For greens, I'm feeling like a lot of ego deaths happening. Compared to all the auras that I have seen, I feel like green aura is the highest judgmental aura. Yeah. So yeah, green have entered, green is, like I've said, is the most judgmental aura which I have seen of all the auras. Like they have a wrong perception of you every time. So in this karmic victory phase, I feel like, that is the main lesson or main energy or main, what do you say, thing to learn for, in this. Okay. So moving on, let's see what else we have. We have 4 of Wands. See, 10 of Pentacles followed by 4 of Wands, dude. Yeah. I'm feeling like a group. Like I said, your person is defending, talking about you to somebody. And like I was telling, how much videos I watch. Literally, guys, let me show you guys. My eyes are going on these tears. And I think I told you in my previous video, like DM is literally crying. Yeah, I see that. So I feel like, your person's friends are also watching your social media. I'm getting that energy also very strongly. Because, I feel like, I keep hearing, if you're not gonna tell, we are gonna tell. Something like that. For some of you, very specific. Yeah. And I keep hearing, a lot of letter A. Somebody in your friend's circle, letter A. A is very significant because I feel like Aries energy very strongly. Yeah. So my frequency is, I let that video find me. When I'm on YouTube, I'm just scrolling. I love to watch a lot of haul videos. I love to watch a lot of fashion content. I love to watch, I love cleaning videos. I just have a thing for it. So if it pops up, I feel it like a signal. Even today, some 2 videos popped up, and I just like to see how other readers, decode cards and all of that. But I trust my instinct, my methodology. Deepa has her own thingy. Yeah. So you're basically, I'm trying to tap into your person is right for once into your shoes. So yeah, so I am seeing that, today's energy, let me tell you, it doesn't even need me to decode from cards. So clear cut. For the first time, I think in my so many videos. Yeah. And a lot of people actually talk about my calmness and peace. So maybe, when you reach here, that is very significant, and maybe it's also a gold or a thingy. when divine feminines, as you start keep doing all your unions, that becomes very significant. You just want peace of mind. Yeah, sukoon se rehna. Yeah. So for the first time on my channel, I'm getting that your person for once, and I'm also getting all this soul record. Yeah, so your Akashic records, right? So all your soul record, your person is feeling it. Yeah, because to me, even if I have the 10 of Pentacles and 4 of Wands, my eyes are very strongly going on this 3 of Swords. And let me tell you, this is my happy deck, my Muse of Tarot. Okay, so we're gonna pick up one last card to see what is. Let's give this a shuffle. I'm again seeing a King of Wands. Dude, your person is fighting with somebody. Okay, so we have 10 of Wands. Yeah, so if you see a lot of female energy, you have 8 of Wands, someone that's breaking free. So this is you, like I told you, like you going up, like your person, like how you are releasing the pain, your person is feeling more pain. I think this justifies that and this signifies that. So I'm seeing like your person is, in this unbearable state. Yeah, and 2 days ago one video popped up to me in which the title of the video was "Please Forgive Me." Yeah, so your person, because of this pain, is actually understanding or connecting of how you did it or what you went through. Yeah, so finally your person has stepped up into your shoes. Yeah, when I tell this, it's not like on a surface level. This is happening at a soul level, dude. So your person is really feeling it. And off lately I knew that with the Venus transit of how Venus is going, and after May 14, Venus and Jupiter are going to conjunct in the house of Gemini, in my first house. So a lot to do with like your person would actually feel more tenfold. And I always said, I made a video called as Jupiter the husband and Venus the wife. So they both are conjuncting, and Jupiter is going to get Vargottama. Yeah, so it's going to enter that phase. Okay, so I'm seeing like this is the main energy where your person, I'm literally feeling like 2 kids playing on a seesaw. So as you are releasing the pain, and I think these 2 cards, just look at how you are releasing the pain and going towards your, where is that 6 of Cups, going towards your inner strength. A lot to do with High Priestess. Also I'm getting a High Priestess energy. So as you are stepping up, your person is feeling ultra pain. So, and a lot to do about this, is the role of universe and angels. So yeah, so check out the title of the video. Yeah, so that is it for this video. Yes, my lovelies, thank you so much if you watched till the end. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Yes, so stay tuned. What would be the next update? What is the next energy universe is gonna convey? Until then, yes, my lovelies, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye, guys.